One way to help students interact with nature is to incorporate service learning into my course. With 450, it's a bit of a challenge. I do have half a TA, but that's still, if I were to organize that on my own with 10 hours a week from a teaching assistant, it would be too much. Fortunately, I partnered with LEAD, which is a campus group run by graduate students in Huxley College. It stands for Learning Environment Action Discovery. And the mission of LEAD is to do service learning. So I provide them with able bodies, they provide the service learning opportunities, and it's a win-win. In fact, it's more like a win-win-win-win. The students get a service learning opportunity, I get a chance to allow students to interact with nature, LEAD gets student bodies to do their work, and nature benefits through restoration. So really a lot of people win. The service learning project works as follows. Students sign up for a project. It may be restoring a habitat, removing invasive species, even working in the Outback Farm here on Western's campus. The students participate in the activity, and then they need to write a summary where they try and link their activities to some of the concepts that we've discussed in class. How is it that the environmental restoration occurred? What did they learn from it? What principles in class might be applicable or relevant to the service learning activity? And so there is some writing involved as well. I think the best benefit, though, of including this in the course is that it moves students from a classroom into nature, and it allows students to do something hands-on in a big class. Instead of just absorbing information, they are actually working with their hands and putting into practice some of the principles that we talk about in class.